Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn how to make this 2D animation scenes in After Effects with very easy process. I am going to show complete process how to create this scene from Illustrator to After Effects. So let's start. So I download two scenes from FreePic. One is the classroom and one is the teacher. Now this is the scene of my classroom. So first of all I have to clip mask remove to extract or select the different objects from the scene. So I remove the reflections and shadow part from the image because I don't need this type of effects in my scene. Now time to place all the objects in different layers. So I just copy the objects and paste in new layer one by one. Select one by one object to expand the base layer. Select the object, copy it and press Ctrl F on new layer. So it is placed on the same place where you can copy. So one by one select all the shapes and objects which you are going to animate in After Effects. And this is a very easy process to create a motion graphics and a small infographics in After Effects. Now I am going to copy the teacher in the scene. So I am copying from the main image and paste in my scene. But this is a single object, but I want to animate the face and the lip syncing for my character. So for this I am going to select the face only and copy this face into new layer. So I just cut this new layer, Ctrl F. Now this is my body part, so it is in a one layer and the face is different, and I want also to animate the lip syncing, so I just cut all the lips and teeth part from the image and paste into new layer and make another group of the same image and close the mouth with the help of pen tool. So I just make a lips which is closed. Now I have two lip syncing part, one is open and one is closed. If you want to animate the eyes, you can use same process, or eyebrows, whatever you want. I remove the shadow because I don't need this shadow part. Select the object and place in the center in the scene. Now my scene is ready to animate. I just save the scene and now open the After Effects. Import the scene as a composition. Now create a new scene with full HD size and I am taking a duration of 10 seconds. Now import the scene in the new composition. Press Alt Ctrl F and fit in the background. Now time to animate. So I just copy all the layers of the character and press Shift Ctrl C, pre-compose, and this is my character comp. So my character is in different scene. First of all I am going to animate the scene. So I am just to animate the scene in very simple way. So I just select all the layers and press P, click on the stopwatch button and animate from up to down. but it is looking very simple. So I'm going to give some bouncy effect to the scene. Now my scene is almost animated, but all the objects comes with the same timing. So I am going to give some randomness to the layers. So either you can move the layers or move the keys of the scene. So it is very easy process. You can play with this and make very good effects with this process. Now look, all the objects come in different timing. Now time to animate the character. For character, the body part, I want to show you first the lip sync part. So select your layer and cut down the timing. So I just move all the layers into end part, copy them and make some lip syncing with the duplicate of the layers. I'm not going to animate in the complete scene, so I'm just make the scene animated in only for 1 to 2 seconds. Now merge all the layers and say this is lip syncing. Split down the end part. For this animation I'm using the time remapping. So right click on the layer, go to time and click on enable time remapping. Move the end part in the center. So I'm just move the timeline to center and place the node to this. Now this is the animated part. So I'm just copy the layers, keys and animate according to the keys of the scene. Now my lips are animated, so you can copy all these keys and paste in the whole scene. With this same process, you can animate the eyes or eyebrows, whatever you want to animate in the scene. Now parent the lips to the face and animate the face to move the center point in the neck pivot. So you can animate the rotation. Now lip sync and the head animate accordingly. So I'm just giving some animation on position also. Now time to animate the body part. So for body I'm using the puppet tool. Click the body, place points what you are going to animate. I want to animate only the hand, so I just move and animate the hand. Now my hand is going to animate. Copy these same keys and paste in the same. If you want to give some different animation, you can animate your notes. So for this scene I think it is okay. Now my almost character is animated. Now look at in the scene how it looks, but it is not shown because the layer is hide. So I just animate. I think oh yes, I missed to show in the scene. Why is it not showing? Oh, I think it is hide. So just on the I button, now it should. So I don't want to animate like this, so remove the keys, place the keys, and I want to animate this character after placing all the scene downwards. Okay, almost everything is done for this scene. Now come to the main comp and everything is animated. I want to give some pop-up text effect also. So for this I'm going to create a pop-up with the solid layer. So I create a new solid layer, white background, and make with the pen tool a pop-up object. Now this is my pop-up icon and I place the right of my character, and I want to animate this, so I move the vertex, move the pivot to the corner for animation, and I'm also give some text for the pop-up. So I just type text and increase the size of the dialog, change the font, okay, place in the center. And for animate the text I use typewriter preset for the text, so it is animated. But I want to show this scene after my object comes down, so for this I am going to scale animate the pop-up. I gave some bouncy in this also. Okay, now everything is fine, almost done. Just see after pressing Ctrl 0. Now my scene is ready. So guys, you can animate any scene and make the 2D animations very easy. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.